unboxing the what's the name?
Monitor.
Cord monitor, and it's going to assemble it. So there's a PC. Oh, monitor. Ta-dang, ta-dang. What is that you're holding?
That's what it is.
No. That's the feet.
Oh, nice fit.
Upside down.
I know how it goes.
There we go.
So, more and more time, when you get more and more knee, you can upgrade higher, higher, stronger, stronger, stronger. Yeah.
Ta-dang. That's the cord monitor. Modular cord monitor. Ta-dang.
Oh, it's a frame this too, huh?
Yep, frame this monitor is
Nice.
What is it?
There's no frame. Look around.
Oh.
There's nothing around it.
See?
Ta-dang, 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 ta-da-da-dang, tang. Almost there. Almost there. Keyboard is on. Now it's...
Oh, this works?
Yeah, go at the battery should look behind the computer.
I can plug it in the computer.
Oh, you can plug it in the computer?
Yeah, it's USB.
Oh, wow. Sana all.
I'm like,
That's from IKEA. Yeah. They are assembling Tonet's computer.
Yeah.
Gaming computer. Wow, buddy. That's a it me and kid. What a body, mahal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it. Oh, you are in there. Look, what a body, kid, again. Okay. So once you turn that on, okay, turn everything on and then turn the light off. It will light, yeah?
Yeah, there's lights on the computer, yeah.
Oh, the computer's on your side though.
What?
You'll see it on that side.
Oh, it's already on?
Not yet. There it is.
Ta-dang! Welcome to the computer. And then, turn off the light, mahal, so that I can see the keyboard. Ta-dang! Look at that. 8 lights. Wow. Okay. I think it's Tonet's cell phone is hacked too. Can't connect it to the internet.
Huh?
Yeah, it's
You
hacked.
can use Tether. I don't know if iPhone can do it, but Android can.
Why can't connect to the internet?
No,
It's hacked.